Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video. I am pretty excited about this video. So you guys seem to have really enjoyed my Amazon dupes videos, which I actually enjoyed filming quite a bit. So, and I have some more of those videos coming in the future. So if you really like those, stay on the lookout because I'll have some more of those coming soon. But this one is going to be a little weird, a little different. So you guys know I'm natural and I wear a lot of wigs, and so I found this wig on Amazon and I was like, it was $10, and I've been wanting to try this style and this color for a while. So I was like, let me see what this is looking like. So y'all, I ordered a wig from Amazon that was $10, and we're gonna do an unboxing and we are gonna see what it is looking like. So this is the package. I have not opened it at all. Just a little bit of information about it. It was actually $10.88 to be exact. I ordered it on May 17th. I did not receive it until June 3rd. So it took quite a while to get to me. With the shipping and tax and all of that, shipping and handling was $4.99. So it came out to $16.81 altogether. So yeah, it came from China. So I'm really anxious to see what this looks like because I have no clue. I don't know what to expect. But if you want to see this really cool unboxing, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm opening up the package. Lord, I don't know what to expect. Okay, so here is the packaging. So it's in this like plastic huge bag. Pull out everything. So they sent me a wig cap. It's actually a weaving cap, and it's the mesh black one. So I won't use this because I like the nylon ones, but I'll slide that back in there. It feels good. Like it feels like thick. I am so, let me pull this up because I was pretty sure that this was a lace front wig. I thought it was anyway. And I guess it's not. It says it's a bob lace front wig for women. I'll insert a picture so you guys can see what it says. But it says it's a lace front. And this is not a lace front at all. And as a matter of fact, I'm gonna just show y'all my phone. This is what it says the cap looks like. It looks, sorry, there's a glare. It looks nothing like that. But I should have known in seeing that it wasn't a lace front. But it says clearly lace front. Anyway, so I don't know if you guys can see, but here is a picture of what it's supposed to look like. So it's a really straight cut bob, and it's the ombre white and black. So I've been really wanting a style like this, so I figured why not try it for $10, you know. And then if I don't like it, no love lost there. It feels very like cosplay-ish, kind of like, it's really like thick though. Like it's really, really thick. I don't think you can put any heat on this. I'm gonna try to make it work. It was $10, so I'm definitely not gonna return it because I feel like that would just be a waste of money to return it. Like the shipping would probably cost more to return it than it cost me to purchase the wig. But this is what the inside of my cap looks like. It's like a nude skin color. There are 2 combs on each side of it. There is no comb in the back, but it does have adjustable straps. So I'm just gonna fasten those straps real quick. And let's see, I like my wigs to fit snug, you guys know that. So, but I have a really big head, so they usually fit snug anyway. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It has like this faux like scalp situation going on. I don't know what that's about, but I'm gonna try to make it look like something. I don't know. I'll probably put some concealer in there. So let me just try it on straight out the pack. Y'all like my head wrap? I love this thing. It's like this really pretty blush pink color with gold on it. I thrifted that. It is so pretty. Anywho, that's not what we're talking about. So y'all already know how I do. I'm going to put on my wig grip, and I'm just using this dark one because This is not lace front anyway, so it doesn't matter what color I use, really. Yes, y'all, I still use the wig grips. I still love them. I need to replace my other ones. That's why I'm on this dark one now. If you guys hear the baby, they're in there with their daddy. So when y'all hear them crying and stuff, they're not in there by themselves. They're with their dad. It's summertime, so he is home. He is not working. So let's see what this looks like just straight out the pack onto my head. Y'all know I put my wigs on from the front to the back. It is shedding like crazy. I have white hair everywhere on my desk. Oh my gosh, it's so shiny. Ooh, child, this is super shiny. They got me on this one. They straight lie. This is definitely not a lace front. Whew. It's so shiny. It looks very, very fake. And I would not try to put any heat on this unit at all. Like, I didn't look to see if it says it's safe to put heat on it. But I wouldn't put heat on it. Okay. So this is what it looks like. I'm looking in the viewfinder, y'all. This is what it looks like straight out the pack. This is ugly. Oh, y'all, it's so much. Look at this. I don't know if you can see this, but there is so much hair coming out and shedding. Like, this is real unreal. Okay. This is how much shedding. Oh my gosh. It's coming out in like plugs of hair. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look. Oh. This is a lot of hair. Ugh. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It looks very artificial. Let me look in the mirror. Yeah, and this is like a bump or something. Like, it's bumpy right there. I'm gonna make this work though. Y'all wait, watch what I tell you. I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna doctor it up and come back. I don't even know if I want to go off camera though, but it's like a lump like right here and I don't like that lump. Okay. Let's see what the hubby thinks about this wig. He's gonna be like, girl, no. So I think though, y'all, if I finesse my baby hairs and stuff, and if I do like some concealer and all of that, I could do something with this. My earrings are dirty with makeup. I could do something with this, I think. Let me see what I can do. Hold that thought. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, I'm back, guys. So here's the tea. I low-key like it. It is, don't get me wrong, it's very artificial. It's very fake. It's very much giving me cosplay. If you want to play Storm from the X-Men, which I stand for X-Men. I'm obsessed. Y'all wouldn't know that, but I love the X-Men. I have all the movies. Anyway, but I low-key like it. Like, I think this is really cute. Would I recommend it? It was $10. So, I mean, it's cute. I think it's cute. I mean, my husband said it was cute. He was like, it's orange down the middle though. And I was like, babe, that's concealer. I'm trying to make it look real. I'm trying to make it look like scalp. So he's, you know, that was his take on it. But I actually like it. Am I in love with it? No. Is it like the highest quality wig? No. For $10, is it worth it? Yeah, it was $10. And I think you could throw this on and go somewhere and be relatively cute with it. I don't think I look stupid. I don't think I look like super, super cheap. Like, I don't think that. I think that it actually looks pretty good on me and I think that it's pretty flattering. the reason I purchased this was to try out this colorway and see if I liked it, to see if I thought I could pull this white black thing off. And I'm looking in the viewfinder to try to see, but I think it's cute. I like it a lot. I don't know, y'all. I like it. I think it's pretty cute. For it to be $10, I mean, I like the thickness of it. I like how full it feels. Like, this is the cut, if you want to see. Here's the cut. And it's very full, very thick. Like, I like that about it. I probably was bumping y'all, I don't know. But anyway, I like it. I think it's pretty cute. It's, like I said, it's not the highest quality of a wig, but it's not the worst. Now, does it shed? Absolutely. Like, this is ridiculous. Like, my desk looks a mess. There's hair everywhere. But it's kind of like once most of the hair comes out of the unit, it doesn't really shed much more. Like, I was in my bathroom brushing it, and I had a few hairs in my brush, but not a ton. So it's like once you get the initial, you know, shedding out of the hair, it's not that bad. Will I wear it? Probably so. Like, I've seen some Amazon wig videos that were atrocious. And this one is not that. Like, I'm here for it. I think it's pretty. I think it looks good. The cap is very comfortable. The construction of the wig is very comfortable. It is not, you know, too small or whatever. It's very big head friendly. Y'all, I like it. I'm looking in the viewfinder. If y'all are like, what are you looking at? I love it. Like, I think it's pretty. Y'all tell me what y'all think, but I think it's cute. I mean, for $10, what y'all think? I'll definitely link it down below so that you guys can check it out if you want to. It's not a lace front like it is advertised to be by any means. So that's, you know. But again, if I would have looked at more of the pictures and been more diligent about the unit I was purchasing, I would have seen that it wasn't a lace front. But it does say lace front in the title. But I think that with a little bit of concealer, I was able to make it work. It's supposed to be like straight. I'm not going to play with putting heat on this because I feel like this would melt, completely melt. It is very shiny, but I kind of dig it. Again, the thickness is beautiful on this unit. I like it. Oh, y'all tell me if I'm tripping, but I like it. I'm looking at it in the mirror and I'm like, it's not terrible. It's not terrible. I saw Too Much Mouth did a video. I'll link her video down below and so that you guys can check her out. But she did an Amazon wig video, and so I was kind of expecting the worst based on her video. But if I'm being honest, like, I feel like this turned out pretty good. I may do a video where I go on Amazon and find like all the cheapest wigs and see what they look like and see if I can make them work. What do you guys think about that? Comment down below if you'd like to see a video like that. But this is it, guys. I didn't want to be too long before you, but I wanted to come with something that I thought would be fun and cute. And since I was doing the Amazon thing, I figured this would be a cute little way to break it up and show you guys something new and exciting. See how you liked it. Y'all, I like it. I think it's cute. I think she cute or whatever. She cute or whatever. Y'all can't tell me you look at this wig and you think $10 though. Really, I'll have to look at the footage, but I feel like in the viewfinder, I'm not catching $10 vibes. Like, I'm not catching $10 vibes. She cute. I think she's cute. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Like I said, please comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this unit. Let me know if you would be interested in a video like the one that I mentioned. Also, comment down below some videos that you would like to see from me. We are growing very steadily, and I cannot express how grateful that I am for every new subscriber that I have gained. You guys mean the world to me, and we're just going to continue to get bigger and better with the content that we're producing. Y'all, I'm trying to stay consistent to keep you guys on your toes, and I will film a thrift haul here soon so that, you know, y'all can see the goodies, because I've got some really good goodies. But anyway, guys, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. I love you so much. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. I love you. Bye.